Wait, what? You're not coming to my tea party? Bethany, I made biscuits!
I was washing my face, I breathed the bubbles on my nose holes, and it felt like it went into my brain. And then burned.
You ready?
Yeah.
Try and make me laugh.
It's not gonna happen. I am impossible to make laugh. Hang on.
Let me get my serious face. Okay, there. Go.
What was that?
We will miss her so much. And she was so sweet. She was never angry. She was never mean. She always had a nice thing to say.
The 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie. Long ways to drive.
Are we there yet? Not yet. Are we there yet? Not yet. Are we there yet? Not yet. Are we there yet? Oh, let's play a game.